Prue's first ride. Today is November 2nd, 2018.
8 years ago. About 8 years ago, me and my dad took Piper to go get her fixed. So, here we go.
Oh gosh. We're not gonna blow up, are we? Oh.
That's not the immediate plan. As my loving brother-in-law would say, here we go.
Here we go. Oh my gosh, that's so scary. Oh my gosh. Okay, no car. Oh, uh-oh. Okay, those are just the brakes. Got it. Okay. There's no flash on this. Can't see you.
You can't see me too well?
Why don't you just focus on the road? We're moving.
Because we don't have a headlight, I had to put the magnetic Milwaukee up on top of the car.
Let's see if we can get that.
Speedometer's working, that's a good thing. You can see when we get going, there's a little bar that pops up. Yeah, I do too.
Shit. Woohoo! You know it.
I'm gonna do a panoramic right quick.
It's still recording.
Okay. So as you can see, we got the Milwaukee light. There's Kelsey waving. Car's running great. There's Kelsey. Two years and 10 months in the making. Oil pressure's doing good, temperature's coming up. A light went out. I don't know why that's up. Went out. Okay, we had our first glitch.
Okay. First of many, I'm sure.
Ready?
Yep.
I'm not sure what that is.
That didn't sound good.
I probably just stuff in the trunk.
Okay.
I smell oil burning.
Yeah, I smell something.
Now we're gonna come up for a brake check. Brakes work good. Temperature doing good.
Yeah, it definitely smells something burning. Woohoo! Made it! Our first voyage.
I call that a successful test.
Yay!